So today I'm doing a second video of this ZARIMI vacuum cleaner and air compressor. Here are some of the instructions, all the accessories. There's a lot, you're gonna see how. Multifunction suction nozzle combination. It has a 21-volt battery, super powerful. And this adapter to charge it, you just plug it in here and charge it. I'll show you that in a bit. This is how you install the battery, pretty normal. And it came charged already, so pretty good. Here's the attachment for the vacuum cleaner. Just clicks in there. So pretty powerful. And then you have many different accessories. You can choose this flat one that it's pretty useful for carpets. We're going to test it in the car. Here's another one that is running for corners and everything else. And gives you a brush just for So here's the whole set. This is the vacuum cleaner attachment. It comes also with an extra filter. This one you can take off and clean. It's really easy. So you can clean it. Actually, let's do a little demonstration here. Let's do this little demonstration here. This is what it was in there. Now it's gone. Here are the attachment, well, the extra filter. These are the attachments for the vacuum cleaner part of it. These three are the attachments for the blower part of it. So they go here in the back. You can see they're pretty powerful in different sizes. So I'm gonna try it first in the car. I have a beautiful Aston Martin. Let's go outside and try it there. So here we are with this beautiful Aston Martin Vantage S. This is a convertible car that we're gonna take to the TV show tomorrow. So let's do a little demo here, making sure that everything is perfectly clean. We're gonna use this brush attachment. Let's clean everything here. So as you can see, it takes absolutely everything. Is the smallest pieces of dust and anything else, and now it's perfectly clean. So now it's perfectly clean. Let's go on the other side. So the driver's side is always a little bit dirtier. Let's go here. So there you go. Everything looks pretty nice. We're gonna take it to the show tomorrow morning. So the other function for this tool is the blower that we're gonna use here, because this tree here, this oak tree, it loses a lot of leaves this time of the year. So we're gonna attach this one in the back here. So here it is, a super useful tool, especially since I get new cars every week. I have to do photo shoots and they have to be perfectly clean. This helps a lot for that. And now we're gonna charge it so it can be ready for the next show. Here's the indicator. It's red. We're gonna wait till it comes to green, I guess. So there it is. Now it's fully charged. It's a green light. Okay, now both batteries are charged, so we're ready to go. And as a final demonstration, let me do this. Look at this. Everything we collected in the car and here in the house. So let's put it back in there. There you go, perfectly clean now again. Thumbs up.